Are watching a system come in from the west, but that rain is still out between Midland and San Angelo, and so it'll be later tonight before we begin to see rain here in our area. Now, the storm system itself is the same one we've been tracking for you for several days since it developed off the southern California coast. It has been doing exactly what it's supposed to, and that's head east across Mexico into West Texas and begin to generate rain. This is not going to be as efficient as a rainmaker as the system we saw early Tuesday, and so we're thinking the rainfall totals are going to be on the light side in our area. Should be kind of in and out of here in the morning. But there is the current position of that rain activity. And now let's go to the computer model. Our model forecasting it by 11 o'clock tonight. It's moving across the Concho Valley into the hill country. Maybe even some light rain showers developing in the metro area at that hour. Overnight, middle of the night, 2 o'clock Saturday morning. Rain could be spreading into the metro at that time. The yellow areas represent some moderate shower activity and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms. I think our model could be just a little bit slow, but it shows still at 9 o'clock in the morning that we've got showers and some thunderstorms up and down I-35 here in the metro area, with the rain coming to an end in the hill country. Should be roughly that time frame, I think. And then this is noon tomorrow. Rain's moved east of Interstate 35, already seeing the clearing line enter the hill country. And then let's fast forward to tomorrow afternoon. Rain's over at 3 p.m. throughout our area. That front has pushed through at that hour, hopefully leaving behind a quarter to a half inch of rainfall in our area. Hopefully more than that, but I think many of us will be lucky to end up seeing that much out of this system. And then the clouds will clear through I-35 by mid-afternoon, if not earlier, clearing skies through the night, and then gusty north winds increasing 15 to 25 miles per hour. By late afternoon, we may see some gusts up at 35 or 40 miles per hour, and then colder. You will feel the difference tomorrow night as opposed to tonight. Downtown Austin, the capital, the campus area, going to be just fantastic through the evening hours tonight. That's a live view. 72 degrees right now, 69 at 8 p.m., and maybe a rain shower by 10 o'clock, probably even a little bit later than that. Right now, upper 60s in Fredericksburg, mid-60s in Marble Falls, 70 up there in Burnett. Low 70s throughout the metro area. These are current temperatures, and low 70s for the most part in our eastern counties. Austin right now is 72, and it's partly to mostly cloudy, 73 out at the airport. Winds southeasterly at 9 to 15 miles per hour, bringing back in some of that moisture. Pressure readings unavailable for some reason right now. Sunset was at 5:31 this evening. Mold count in the high category again tomorrow in our allergy forecast because of this increased moisture. Around the state, 60s and 50s out here in West Texas. It's a system that's moving across the plains right now. It'll send the colder air down our way, but certainly it's not very cold, unusually mild today across most of the country. These are current temperatures, even up to the Canadian border, 40 degrees, so it's been a great holiday. Now, if your travel plans take you back home to another part of the country as we head into Saturday afternoon, could be weather-related delays from Chicago to St. Louis to Memphis down to New Orleans. And then if you're traveling on Sunday from the Ohio Valley down to Atlanta, but fortunately for the big cities in the Northeast, this system should hold off until late Sunday night. So hopefully everybody gets home okay. Pacific Northwest, still a little bit rainy. Okay, lows tonight. We won't cool much, low 60s, but then we won't warm much tomorrow with that weather system moving across and then the north winds blowing in that cooler air. Patchy light rain late tonight, 63 in the morning. In the morning, we may start with showers and some thunderstorms, but then the afternoon should look like this, with the clouds breaking up and the winds increasing out of the north and the temperature heading down probably by late afternoon already into the 50s, then eventually by Sunday morning into the 30s area-wide. Could even be a light freeze maybe in the hill country by Sunday morning, certainly by Monday morning. Then we have a couple of cool days. We have another weak front on Tuesday and a stronger front next Friday, a week from today, and that could be followed by some rain too.